This is a problem that a lot of people are going through. Their gear shifter has been stuck on park, like it's not shifting to reverse, neutral, or drive. Okay, so it can only shift if they depress this black pin that you're seeing here. If I depress, which you can see that it's shifted. Okay, so without depressing the black pin, it won't shift. Okay, so in this video, I will reveal to you what could be the problem, why echo gear's lever is not shifting. Okay, so despite depressing the brake, you can see I'm holding the brake, but yet it's not shifting, it's just hard. Okay, stuck on park, except I depress this black pin that you are seeing over here. Okay, and when this happens, even if you are depressing the brake pedal, the light won't come on because it's not shifting. So therefore, if you notice that this light is not illuminating when you are pressing the brake pedal, and also it's stuck on park, it could be the problem that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so what we are going to do now is to turn off our ignition. Okay, so we are going to locate the fuse that controls this gear lever. Okay, so we are going to locate the fuse that controls the gear lever. So this is my tester. I'm gonna test each of these fuse to see if we have a blown fuse that it's not to be shifting or not. So on the testing, anyone that the light illuminated or lighted, that means it's working. But if there is no light, that means it has blown off. Okay, so I'm gonna check one after the other. Okay. Okay, so this was how I end up testing all the fuse and they all lighted. Okay, so now the problem is they all lighted and we still had our gear shifter, gear lever stuck in park. So what could this be? So right now we are going to dive into the fuse analysis. So on the fuse reading, we have a particular fuse that controls the gear lever, okay, the shifter, our gear shifter, okay, and it is this. You can see this over here, this 10A, okay, this 10A over here that you're seeing, this top 10A. This is the fuse that controls the gear lever, our shifter. So when this fuse is blown off, it won't shift, it will just be stuck on park, okay. So now since this top 10A is the fuse that controls the gear lever or our shifter, we have to locate it at this fuse box. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. So you can see that there is no fuse. So this could be the problem. Okay, there is no fuse here. So what I'm going to do now is to purchase a new fuse and install it right here to see what would happen. Okay, so before then I'll test if there's a current coming out from this fuse box before I'll install the new fuse. Okay, there's current coming out from the fuse. Okay, so what we are going to do is to install a fuse in this particular region of the fuse box or the panel, and this is the fuse I am going to install since I've checked and there's current coming out. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and install the fuse. Okay, and then I'll test to see if there's a current coming out. Wow. Okay, okay, it's now working fine. So what I'm going to do now is to go and test the gear shifter to see if it really worked. So the ignition is on right now. Okay, so right now I can see that it actually shifted. It was the fuse that made the gear lever to be stuck on park. Okay, so that was the problem. The stop fuse is the fuse that actually stopped our gear lever from shifting to reverse drive or trade T. Okay, and also, Charlie, if you could remember, our brake light was not coming on, but right now it's now coming on. Okay, so the stop fuse was a problem of this particular vehicle not shifting to the reverse or drive. So I hope that was helpful. See you guys in the next video. Do well to subscribe to the Diagnostic Guy. Big shout out.